example of a healthy hair, where you can see it just below the surface.
Yeah, oh.
So here we can see we have an oil pocket here. And it can cause thinning and irritation. So with her oily scalp, like I previously said, it can cause hair loss and it can cause irritation. It also makes you wash your hair every day. This will help correct that. So the main ingredients are pure dynamic sage and Amazonian clay. And this is where we mix them together. This is not a hair treatment, it is a scalp treatment. So this will only be going on her scalp. And it'll clear out all of those clogged pores and oil that she has. There is scalp treatments for all different types. For dry, for flaky, for dandruff, for eczema, for irritation, for red spots, for scabbing, for hair loss. Then we shampoo her hair with the shampoo that pairs with this treatment. So this would be a shampoo you would then take home to have home maintenance.